Okay, big day, guys. We are getting the truck on the ground and we are getting it ready to go and get a cage put in it. I don't have a lot of time because it is getting late, and I need to have this on the trailer, which is already set up out there tonight. And I have to get not a lot prepared on it, but I do have to get it on the ground. Got to get the box taken back off, even though we just put it together. I'm going to take one of my old doors and we got to slap it on along with, I've got my bag here, see, left door. The door handles and stuff like that I got to put on. The dash, I don't really think I need to bolt the dash in. It pretty much just clips right in place, and I'm just going to throw it in the back seat of the truck and they can clip it on when they start figuring out how they're going to do the cage. It's not worth me bolting it in because it's going to have to come back out. But the door, we're going to bolt in place, get it on the ground. We have to get this thing spun around, which will be fun. I'm going to have to put it out on the driveway and Austin power it with a 32-point turn so I can back it in here to get the box off, because I have to use the overhead hoist to get the box off. But if I have the truck facing this way, I don't think I can lift the box up and over the truck. I don't think it'll go high enough. So let's get this thing on the ground. Let's get her turned around and start disassembling and reassembling. Well, there it is, guys. It's on the ground for the first time with its body on, and I'm feeling the height. Box definitely short. Like, it doesn't even come up to my waist, so that's cool. The cab, I like low cars. I like low trucks. The cab, I feel, could be a little bit lower. Now, it will drop a little bit more once we have, obviously, the drivetrain in it. But, I mean, it's a comfortable height, I think, to get in and out of. If it's wicked low, with a cage in it, could be a little hard to get in and out of, but I'm digging it. I'm digging it. It's looking like a hot rod. Okay, I gotta back this thing out, spin it around, and push it back inside so we can get the box off. Alrighty, box is off. Very quick and simple. I went and threw this door on. This is the original door from the truck. It's the roughest door. I do have new doors, which are back there. But this one still has a lot of the hardware inside it. Those ones are completely gutted. So this is the only really usable door. That's why I put it back on. But this, the way it is ready to go. I went ahead and double checked all my bolts, made sure everything was tight so I didn't lose anything on the trailer. So she should be ready to rock. I just tossed the dash in there for now. I'm gonna put it inside the my other truck. But yeah, it is ready to rock. Next time you see this, it will have a cage It's nice to see more progress is being made on this thing, because it did stall out for a while just waiting for stuff to happen, waiting for parts to come in. And I'm super pumped because there wasn't a whole lot I could do until the cage was in, because I would have to take everything apart, and it makes everything more difficult when there's too much stuff in the way. So this is great news that the cage is being done. So hopefully this build can really pick up momentum once we get it back. But that's it for this, somewhat of a short video. Just want to show you guys what's going on with it. And I mean, we are definitely in a rolling state, and this will be my first time actually putting most of a vehicle on that trailer. So looking forward to seeing how it tows, and you know, this will look pretty interesting cruising on the road. But that's it for this video. We'll see you next time.